Did you know that you cannot burp in space the way you do on Earth? In microgravity, like aboard the International Space Station, liquids and gases do not separate in your stomach like they do under Earth's gravity. So if you try to burp, you risk a messy surprise, a wet burp, where food and gas come up together. That is why astronauts are extra careful with carbonated drinks, or just avoid them entirely. In space, even burping needs mission control. Because when gravity disappears, the rules of the human body go into orbit.